Hi, Don with Log Masters. We're here at this wonderful, beautiful log home and getting ready to discuss the after transformation. Let's go meet up with Nick. Hey, Nick.
Hey.
How's the thing going?
Great.
Hey, I was just wanting to talk about the transformation that you've done on this log cabin.
Yeah, so we started off with media blasting the whole home, 40/70 glass. After that, we caulked all the log joinery with Sashco Conceal brown tone caulking.
Yeah, I can see you did a great job in here. I mean, you can barely tell that there's any caulking there. It just seems very seamless.
Yeah, it's supposed to look seamless with caulking. We choose a caulking color that blends in best with the new stain color, so it looks like a seamless transition.
Okay, and I can see that you basically, none of their stuff has been damaged or hurt in the process either. It looks like the door, it came out beautifully and everything looks perfect, actually.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, we removed all the lights at the beginning of the restoration. We removed all of the decorations on the house. This front door, we actually media blasted as well with the home. And then we stained it with the same colors the home has, and that's Sashco Capture. First coat was wheat, second coat was bronze pine. So we have a custom color on this one.
Oh, wow. Yeah, and it turned out very well, very seamless. I mean, I love how the combination just looks like it's all one blend. It doesn't look like there's a lot of, discoloration or even leftover stain from the previous time.
Nope, we were able to blast all the stain off. It was a really clean blast. Since the front door is a different wood than the pine or fir logs that we have, the front door stained out just a little bit lighter, which gives a great contrast with the new stain.
Okay, great. Well, thanks.
Of course.
Let's take a look at the rest of the house.
Of course.
Wow, this really came out beautiful. I mean, the gable looks so great, and the windows, man. You know, I always think about the media blasting process and how it can damage windows like this. How do you keep that from happening?
Yeah, so prior to media blasting, we cover the windows and all of the windows with our PRD method, and that's painter's tape, ram board, then duct tape. And that ensures that we don't hit the frames or the glass with the media blaster. The ram board is actually thick enough to hold up to if someone swipes across the window or something like that. That helps protect the windows. After media blasting is done, we remove the PRD from the windows, and then when it's time for stain, we'll remask those with a thin plastic to protect them for the stain process.
So now that we finished restoring the cabin, what's next for the client?
So what's next is an annual maintenance plan where we come out every year, 2 years max. We want to wash the home with log wash and do a visual inspection. And that way we're able to see which walls need clear coat and which walls are more shaded. And maybe they don't need a clear coat in 2 years, maybe 3 years. So with water-based stains, the clear coat protects the stain underneath. As long as we maintain the clear coat, then we're protecting the stain underneath. Each time we do a clear coat, we're washing the home too, so it keeps it looking clean and good for life. Now, if this were an oil-based home, then we would have to restain it, probably after 3 years or so. We'd mask off, wash the house, then coat it with a new coat of oil stain. So that's the difference.
Cool. Well, that's good to know. All right. Thanks a lot, Nick, for
Of
giving us a good informative on all this, and I hope that helps everybody understand part of the restoration process. Thanks for joining us, and like, share, and follow to see more video content from us. Thanks for joining us.